Welcome to IFAStories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Òrúnmìlà, the Iron Moles, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. To explore full Yoruba stories, Ifa teachings, and ancestral wisdom, visit our website, www.ifastories.com. Step into the sacred path for more resources and information. The Trap of the Monkeys for Òrúnmìlà. The akoko, rooster, is for Yes, and the key is for gun. Give to the door whatever Ifa says. Story. There was an Awo who went to the land of the monkeys. Upon arriving, he began to divine for everyone, which quickly brought him great fame. The king of the monkeys, upon hearing of this, realized that this Awo was not convenient for his kingdom, as he outshone him. So the king decided to eliminate him and planned to kill him. The monkey king prepared a trap. He told the other monkeys to spread the rumor among the people that the king had died, and to invite the Awo to the funeral. That night, there was a large gathering at the wake. When the Awo received the news, he performed in Sode, and this Odu appeared. Because of Sobo, he was warned of a trap and made Ebo. Later that night, the Awo arrived at the wake. When he reached the coffin where the king was supposedly resting, the Awo began to chant a prayer from that Ifa, and the king, who was pretending to be dead, sneezed. The Awo ran away at once, and the monkey king kept sneezing. Because it was so late, the other monkeys who were sleeping woke up startled. One of them slammed the door shut, and another grabbed the key to give it to the king, hoping to trap the Awo, who was Òrúnmìlà. But another monkey, still dazed from sleep, automatically slapped the one holding the key. The key flew out of the room, and they all ended up trapped inside. Note: be careful where you go. You could end up caught in a trap and lose your life. All of it is caused by envy. Note: do not attend spiritual gatherings where betrayal may be waiting. Trap and falsehood are chasing you.